In today's video, I will show you how to create a professional PowerPoint presentation. When you open up your PowerPoint application, your screen should look something like this. And if you can see in the top left-hand corner, we've got a blank presentation option, which is where we'll start today. So when you double click on the blank presentation, it will create a new presentation for you. And now you can see we've got a blank one slide, title slide, and this is where we're going to build off of today. So first I'm going to put a theme in here, and we can do that by going to this design tab right here. When you press on it, you see all of these theme options. You can click through it this way, or you can go to this drop down and look at all your options. Today I'm going to pick this green option and then pick our title, which will be Natalie's Garden. And we're going to talk about the growth and future vision. Now I'm going to put my name and the date. And then you can adjust the way that this fits on the screen by clicking on the text, and you'll see these boxes here. This will make it larger. And then I really want this to move to the left, so I'm going to go to this home screen right here, if you see your home tab, and then you'll go over and you'll see the options of where the text is going to move to. And I can press on that, and now my text is on the left. I'll do the same thing with this, where I'll highlight my text and press on the left icon up here. And now it looks how I want it to. You can also move your text boxes by just selecting and then dragging.